Hello and welcome to the final video on the Phits Design Wizard. We arrived at the forefoot corrections, which are the last corrections to be added. We have three options here, the Meta 1, the Meta 1-2, and the Meta 5 correction. So basically, these are extensions of the printed base under the forefoot. The Meta 1 sits underneath the first MPJ. Meta 1-2 is a bit wider and covers the medial forefoot, and the Meta 5 sits on the lateral forefoot. You can change the height and the flexibility of the material. The height goes from 2 to 4 millimeters, and this determines the degree of correction. For most cases, I would recommend a flexible correction, but sometimes it could be necessary to use a stiff correction, for example, in case of a hallux rigidus, where you really want to affect the range of motion. For other cases, you don't really want to affect the range of motion and you rather want to focus on anti-pronation or anti-supination, or just to offload the lateral forefoot, for example, and guide towards that first MPJ. And then the final step is the personalization. By default, it will show the first name of the patient, which will be printed in the back of the heel cup. But you can put anything in there up to 8 characters. So this can be the clinic or maybe a nickname of the patient, whichever you prefer. And then by clicking Proceed to Checkout, you will go to the checkout screen, and here you will see all the design parameters you have changed or you have added with your prescription. And this step is actually quite important because once you confirm the order by clicking this button, it will go immediately to design automation and production process. So make sure you double check all your design parameters here before you continue. You can also add a reference ID, and this can be a patient number that is linked to a different software or maybe something else you would want on the label of the Phits box. Down here you can find the remarks section where you can add some notes, but these are only for your internal workflow or your admin because we don't read these or get a notification of. So keep that in mind, and then when you feel ready to confirm your order, you can click Confirm Order and the file will be uploaded. Thank you so much for watching these videos on the Phits Design Wizard. I hope they were helpful, and please, if there would be any other questions, don't hesitate to contact us on support@rsprint.com. Thanks again and bye!